clean, man.
Yes, sure.
It's
Can I have a plate, please?
Okay.
menu for the day. Roasted pig.
I need to buy one like this.
Our Vietnamese brother here like the same thing. Roasted pork.
Abangan.
Delicious, delicious. Yummy skin. Tender, juicy.
I need some skin too.
More skin.
Yeah, another one here.
Skin.
Everybody like the skin of the lechon.
thank you.
Lechon baboy. Oh, lechon baboy. Luto ni kabayan.
Batok.
Ang kababayan, shout out. Probinsya nyo, probinsya.
Batok ulit. Yung batok ka? Ha? Kami batok?
Batok to, yung pinaka masarap.
Pakiusap tayo nga, ubiusap niya.
Roasted
Yan.
suckling pig. Yan, sarap yan.
Yung batok ulit.
Batok daw, sabi ni kabayan.
Tagig po. Kumakain kayo yan? Opo. Binibigyan kayo? Opo, pwede po kami kumain. Oh, that's good.
Alright, thank you for watching. And saan ka sa atin pare? Probinsya.
Rizal.
O to, mga Antipolo, Tanay.
Oo. Tagay ka lang?
Hindi, Nueva Ecija.
Oo.
Okay. Ilocano, Tagalog doon. Marunong ka Ilocano.
Nyamit ko yun.
Weng, Rod. Anya tinagan mo, anya tinagan.
Ha?
Anya tinagan.
Arnold.
Oh, Arnold, guwapo to.
Ikaw.
Romel ako, nice meeting you. Okay.